Welcome to our Hampton Inn room in Carlsbad, New Mexico. Pretty standard looking room. We already kind of brought our snacks and groceries and checked in for a couple days. A view of the flooded streets and hillside right there. We've got ice bucket, nice little couch and an ottoman, a king size bed, which will be nice and comfortable hopefully. Some nice pre-cleaned remote and wet naps right here, so that everything's nice and fresh. Some cool abstract art, which is like a flower, and yeah. This piece of art over here is another plant. We got a TV, pretty nice. A little mini fridge, which we're gonna fill with those groceries, and a microwave and some drawer space. Funky, cool looking carpet. And we got our stuff right here, and some more abstract looking art. I can't really tell what that is, if it's supposed to be like a flower or something. And then we have the door, once again, that separates us from the room next to us. We're gonna be keeping that locked. A cool, like, oh, it's not a slide door, it's like a swing open door closet with a full-size iron and ironing board and some hangers if you'd like to hang up some clothing, and a control for the air conditioner. It's at 72, it's probably gonna be lower a little bit later. There's the door. We'll latch that shut and keep us locked in. If you'd like time to relax, you just put that on the door. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty nice. I got a coffee maker in here, it looks like, and some stuff. Mirror. We've got some Neutrogena brand soaps and some tissues there. Very nice, standard. Another plant-based, well, not plant-based as in like food, but just like plant-themed artwork on the wall, and looks like a hair dryer in a bag right there if you need it. And a very nice stand-up shower. Looks fairly clean. Nothing wrong with it so far. Nice clean floors, and no need to really show the toilet. We know what that looks like. But yeah, so pretty nice looking room. I'm hoping it's comfortable, and thank you for watching.